which all of you strategy glazers who glaze your strategy and think your strategy is the best strategy in the world, or you think that you can read the market 100% every day. Yo, what's good? Today I got me a winning day, $357 on my Lucid funded account, and also a $191 win on my Alpha Capital Phase 2 eval. And bro, when I tell you I almost missed out on this move, but when I seen how everything in my plan lined up, it was just like this, you feel me? I took it. I'm gonna outline exactly what made this trade so high probable. So my entry was here. I put my stops right above these up close candles, and my target's down here at Asia's low. Coming into my session, I already had a bearish bias just based off of how price had this overnight huge run based off of, I don't know what the fuck, the ceasefire, I guess, whatever is going on with the war. So basically the market got excited and we had a huge run higher. I was bearish because, for one, I'm not going to be bullish because price needs to come down to a discount in order for me to buy. But at the same time, you have to be careful selling because price could keep going up and running up against you, especially when there's a lot of, you know what I'm saying, like you see an expansion like this, everybody's going to be kind of like bullish. I'm watching how we ran up to monthly open price in the monthly open gap, which is a premium. I started looking at the previous monthly high and watched how price rated the previous monthly high before market open, right? So we already ran it out. I see this displacement, and I can tell you what, I had a little bit of FOMO because I'm like, yo, this could drop before the open. And this is where traders mess up. So on the 5-minute chart, after we ran out the monthly high, we had a displacement, created a fair value gap, ran up into it, and this is where I had a bit of FOMO. I was thinking about entering a trade here and then just allowing open to maybe run lower. But like I said, this is where traders mess up. The open is easy to lose during the first 15 minutes of open. Me entering this trade, I would have potentially got knocked out because my entry would have been at the fair value gap, my stops at the high, this high, and then I would have got tagged out. And even if it was at this high, possibly could have got tagged out during the open. So what I did was I controlled myself, and I'm like, bro, no, I'm gonna stick to my rules, because if I was to take this loss and I take this trade here and it's not according to my rules, it could send me on an emotional spiral, and the whole day might be looking bad. It's gonna be looking bad, you feel me? Let's say the account could possibly be gone. I'm on my degenerate shit. But no, right? I waited until open, and this is where the manipulation happened. We took out this high here. Now this is where the magic happened, because like I said, I was very hesitant on taking sells here. The market could keep grinding up against me, but at the same time, we're at a premium. We're manipulating a key liquidity pool, which is the monthly high, and we broke down aggressively. So I'm like, bro, if this gives me SMT, which it already gave me SMT here, so ES did not take out this high right here, but NQ did. And then we had an SMT with ES right here as well, because ES did not take out this high. Okay, we start breaking down lower. I didn't take it yet because I wanted the open to do whatever it was gonna do. I see this 931 fair value gap get created, and we use that and we run lower, right? And I'm like, okay, Asia's like right below. So as this was retracing, I still was not ready to sell yet, right? I didn't trust that. I wanted to wait until it got closer to 10 o'clock, closer to the macro, which was the 950 to 1010 macro right here. When I seen how price was running up like this is where my key confirmation came in, bruh. I'm talking about the stars online. Look how on ES, price had ran out this swing high, but NQ didn't. So there's another SMT we broke down. We're entering that macro. You can't tell me the stars did not align on this trade, bruh. I took my entry right here, stops above this up close candle, targets at the Asia low. Come on now, talk to me. Y'all can't say this target ain't clean. So boom, that was my target. Now as soon as I enter this trade, bro, look what it does. Consolidates. Like, bruh, what do you want from me? Like, why is this such a boom or bust market? It booms, boom, moves, moves. But as soon as I enter, it wanna chop around. Like, what do I do to deserve this? You know what I'm saying? I'm already on a 3-trade losing streak. I already just took a break even yesterday after I was up $300 in profit. And it just, bro, when you see this, bro, it just stresses the mental capital. So even after all of that confirmation that I had with the SMTs here, everything lining up to my plan, I still had uncertainty and a bit of fear of losing this trade a bit. It just felt like a losing trade. But at the end of the day, which all of you strategy glazers who glaze your strategy and think your strategy is the best strategy in the world, or you think that you can read the market 100% every day, and niggas who can't read the market 100% can't read the market. Now listen, bruh. At the end of the day, it's probabilities. The market is gonna go up or down with a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You pick buy or sell, you're gonna lose almost about 50% of the time out of all the trades that you take. All trading is having a key level, and then you control your risk around it. You have a key level, you make a decision, and you put risk around it. Whether it's ICT concepts, whether it's support and resistance, whether it's nigga you just flipping a coin, heads or tails. So with that being said, that's what I have to keep in mind. Okay, the setup's there, the probabilities is there. I followed my plan, I executed well, I executed properly. That's all that matters. Win or lose, we start running down. Okay, we start running down, and then price consolidates one more time, and then bam, you know what I'm saying, hit the TP, right? Made $357, cleaned up almost 70% of the losses that I took from this past 2 weeks. Look, I'm only taking one trade a day, y'all. I'm not taking two, I'm not taking three, I'm taking one trade a day. I cleaned up 70% of my losses that I took, right? Cleaned up 2 trades that I took. If I win another trade, bro, I'm up. I'm up. Even though I lost more than I won, right? So all you have to do is just win more than what you lose, because the market is going to go up or down regardless. You're going to lose or win on average 50% of the time. You just control risk around it. All I have to do is just keeping myself in check, bro. No crash outs, no nothing, bro, and just trade my plan. And that's all I got to do. Risk management wise, I forgot to mention, as price was dropping right here, I moved my stops basically to break even. I didn't want to see it come back up there. I didn't move it right away as soon as it started. I needed to see it close below this low, and that's part of my rules, right? So that's it really, trade management wise. And the biggest lesson of today's trade is that patience and one clean setup is all you need if you're really disciplined enough, bro. Every day, if you just take one clean setup, it's all you need, win or lose. If you want more breakdowns like this, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, because I post all the trades that I take here and I break them down, psychology and all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, I'm out.